Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 11 important benefits of guava. Guava is a common fruit. It is available at your nearest market. It looks simply. You can simply bite into it and relish its taste. Nothing out of the ordinary. The fruit is replete with antioxidants and other nutrients like vitamin C and lycopene. It is a powerhouse of fiber too. Eating a guava a day can do more good to you than you can ever think of. How? Keep reading, and you will know. Just one guava contains 126 milligrams of vitamin C, which meets a whopping 209% of your daily recommended values. The fruit also contains 229 milligrams of potassium, 343 IU of vitamin A, and 27 mcg of folate. 1. Guava boosts your immunity. Guava is replete with vitamin C. In fact, it offers a lot more of the vitamin than a similar amount of oranges. Hundreds of studies tell us how vitamin C can help boost immunity and fight disease-causing pathogens. So, if an incessant cold or cough is bothering you, simply grab a guava. Growing research tells us that vitamin C also protects your body's cells from damage, thereby averting serious diseases like arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. Just ensure you have the fruit ripe, as that is when it contains the most vitamin C. 2. Protects your heart. As guava is a rich source of dietary fiber, it is a must-have if you want to take care of your heart and gut health. The fiber lowers bad cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease. Even the high potassium levels in the fruit help. Potassium lowers blood pressure. The polysaccharides, a type of carbohydrate, in guava leaves act as antioxidants and fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, as we know, can create chaos in your body's system, and the heart is one organ that is quite vulnerable to it. Guava leaves, when used as tea, also prevent atherosclerosis. 3. Helps you manage diabetes. The fiber in the fruit comes to the rescue again. Fiber can lower blood sugar levels. It can also prevent constipation, which is a common problem faced by individuals who have diabetes. The fiber content in the fruit increases the count and variety of gut bacteria, leading to a healthier digestive system. An Indian study tells how guava, without the peel, can help in lowering blood sugar and blood cholesterol levels, thereby cutting the risk of diabetes. 4. Protects you from cancer. The antioxidants lycopene and vitamin C fight free radicals, which can cause cancer. These antioxidants also prevent the proliferation of cancer cells. Guavas are especially powerful in aiding the treatment of cancers of the breast and prostate. Apart from antioxidants, guavas also contain fiber that prevents hemorrhoids and colon cancer. Guava leaves can also be of help here. Studies conducted on guava leaf extracts found them to be potent enough to stave off cancer, thanks to the presence of therapeutic compounds. 5. May promote weight loss. Though research is ongoing, the possible weight loss properties of guava can be attributed to its fiber content. Also, it is comparatively low in calories. You sure can make it a part of your weight loss diet. 6. Guava boosts your digestive health. Given that guavas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, they preserve digestive health. One guava can give you 12% of the RDA of fiber. Some sources suggest that the leaves of the fruit are good at treating nausea and vomiting. Medical literature also tells us how guava can treat diarrhea, thanks to its antimicrobial and antispasmodic properties. This is especially true with the extracts of the fruit and the leaves. Guava's antimicrobial properties can also fight the harmful gut microbes and prevent digestive infections, diarrhea being the most common of those. 7. Improves your vision. The vitamin A in guava boosts vision. This nutrient is known to cut down the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. The abundant vitamin C in the fruit also contributes to better vision. 8. Can relieve menstrual symptoms. In a study, 197 women with painful dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, found relief after taking 6 mg per day of a drug containing guava extracts. Another South African study reveals the spasmolytic effects of guava leaf extract. The extract was found to relieve cramps of smooth muscle like that of the uterus. 9. Are beneficial during pregnancy. Guava is a good source of folate, a nutrient quite crucial during pregnancy. Numerous studies show how this nutrient prevents birth defects in the baby, especially those associated with the baby's brain and spinal cord. 10. Can ease your stress. The magnesium in the fruit bags the credit here. Magnesium is known to relax the body's nerves and muscles, and this can ease stress. Studies also suggest that magnesium may help relieve anxiety in individuals. 11. Improves your skin health. The antioxidants in guava can protect your skin from damage and delay signs of aging. The abundance of vitamins A and C contribute here, especially vitamin C, which enhances skin firmness. Guava extract's antimicrobial properties also help treat acne as they are effective in eliminating the bacteria that cause acne. Guava is one of those foods that has almost no side effects. Only that you need to take a little extra care during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Don't eat too many of them. Just 1 to 2 guavas should do. Thanks for watching.